When it comes to shower drainage, performance and design should never be a compromise. That's why ACO ShowerDrain range delivers intelligent solutions for every environment, from luxury spas to high-traffic leisure centres. Need flexibility in channel drainage? The ACO Modular 125 system is ideal for communal showers, customisable, corrosion-resistant, and built to handle high flow rates with ease. For sleek design and powerful drainage, ShowerDrain C features a hydroformed gully for boosted flow and effortless cleaning. Perfect for modern wet rooms. Tight on space? ShowerDrain E offers 360-degree gully rotation and options for vinyl or tiled floors, bringing flexibility to every installation. Looking for cost-effective solutions? ShowerDrain B provides reliable performance with minimal build height. Our point drainage systems provide a selection of discrete finishes for both tiled and flexible floors, ideal for refurbishments, care environments and smaller installations. From hygiene to durability, ACO ShowerDrain systems, both channel and point, are engineered to elevate every project.